In this video, I'm going to be showing you how exactly you can improve your sourcing for eBay by posting a simple Facebook ad. Let's get right into it. All right, let's jump into the computer here and I'm going to show you how to make an ad just like this on Facebook. So I created this ad on Canva for free. So if you're a clothing reseller, you want to develop a list of 20 to 30 brands that you can have on your ad showing that we buy clothes, and then you can list the brands that you're specifically looking for. And that is what I've done here. We buy clothes cash, and then I have my brand list, and then I have the details. We are a family-owned business wanting to buy any clothes you're looking to get rid of. We pay cash, and then put a price there. We're looking for people that have an abundance of clothing, or want to clear out a closet, or want to just make extra space in their shed or in their bedroom. So this ad is key to helping you have another source of inventory coming to you. And I highly recommend it. Why? Because it's free. It is so important that you join about 10 to 20 to 30 local buy and sell groups in your area. So you're gonna go search Facebook. So we're gonna type in your specific location. So let's just do an example, Portland, Oregon, buy and sell. And you will see that it comes up with several buy and sell groups, and these have 40,000 members, 64,000 members, 56,000 members. So you want to join the groups that have the most members. So join those groups, and then you're going to post this simple ad. By posting a simple Facebook ad in your local buy and sell groups is one of the easiest ways that you can get inventory coming to you. You just need to take action and post this ad by following these simple steps. After you're done joining at least 10 buy and sell groups, you're going to want to go over to one of those groups and hit at the top of the page, there's a big button, it says sell something. Click on it. You have an item for sale. You want to add your brand list that you created on Canva, let that load in, and you're going to do the title, We Buy Clothing. And this is applicable to many niches. We buy video games, we buy electronics, whatever you want to do, you put whatever your niche is that you're looking to sell on eBay. So we buy clothing, price $1, category clothing. It really doesn't matter what you're selecting there because you're just trying to reach people in the group. And then you're just gonna put a little explanation. We buy clothing, $1 for tops, $2 for bottoms. I put 100-piece minimum because you're gonna have a lot of people contacting you on, hey, I have 3 pairs of this or 6 pairs of this. And the whole idea behind this is that we're looking for bulk. So I'm looking for at least 100 pieces. It is highly recommended that you put at least a minimum. So 100-piece minimum. You're just gonna click next, put your location, and then you're gonna do local pickup. Then you hit next. And here is the page where you can select all of those groups that you just joined. So it makes it so much easier that you could just post this ad to the 20 to 30 groups that you just joined. But really, you only need 3 to 5 ads to really stick in one of these groups, especially if they have 50,000 people. You're gonna have so many messages that it can be somewhat overwhelming. This is why in the details part of your ad, you need to be very specific and put what you're looking for, put what you're paying, and put a minimum of what you're looking to buy. Posting a Facebook ad in local buy and sell groups is one of the best things you can do to get inventory for your business. And not to mention, it's free. So once you click that, you're gonna set it all up. And once you post it to all these groups, you're gonna get a message confirmation saying success or failed. So you're gonna have to tweak that according to what groups you join because some groups don't allow this type of ad. Hey, if you got value out of this, consider subscribing as I'm producing content on a daily basis. And if you want to know a little bit more about how I go about sourcing for my eBay store, check out this playlist here where it covers all my sourcing tips.